Кто успел, тот присел. Приходи на нашу карусель.
Hello everybody, how are you today? We are in the Golan Heights and I'm going to show you a little bit of everything. Today we are going to go to Merom Golan Kibbutz and to pick up my sister from where she's riding with the horses. Maybe we will go and do some hiking, and I really want to go to the Bental mountain that is really pretty. So yeah, let's see where we end up and keep on watching. We are now in the wind turbines in the Golan Heights, and in a minute we will see the Hermon mountain. Such a beautiful place, and the Golan Heights is so beautiful in this time of year. I'm in love.
Israeli innovation.
Hello, bitch.
Tiny Tom in tiny tank. Кто успел, тот присел. Приходи на нашу карусель. Let's play the game. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my goodness, it's like so big.
Nice.
Anna Maria. I see the light. Oh. Wow, Jesus, it was like a maze that is not ending. And it was so deep. Actually, all the Golan Heights is like this, with a lot of bunkers, because it was a lot of wars around here. We want the Golan Heights, and the Syria want the Golan Heights, and everybody wants the Golan Heights. And I can understand, because it's like the best place ever. So now we are heading to Kofi Annan. It's like really nice mountain. I hope you can hear me with the. Okay, so this city over there, it's in Syria. But when my grandmother used to live here in Merom Golan, she used to work here because it was Israeli city. So she would walk every day these mountains and go work over there. Yeah, so I thought I will show you. My grandma was really close to me, and I really love to tell her heritage. So yeah, this is some piece of history. I used to learn in school over there, you know, the first school, you know, I don't know, not high school, the one before that. So yeah.
Turn on deck. Very good.
Do you hear the tons? I don't know how to say it in English.
Amari, no. In Canada, 30 and 30%.
English, speak
Germany,
English. Oh my
Spanish,
goodness.
Russian, what you want?
Yeah. English is the best. My YouTube channel is in English.
Yeah.
So what is your name?
This
Shu ismek?
is my name, Ahmed. This is Kirika jam, fig jam, apple jam, and the chili homemade everything.
Oh my goodness. And yes.
No kosher.
No kosher.
No kosher, bitch.
It's a kosher by Ahmed. It's the best.
Yes.
Okay,
Coffee?
good man.
Thank
We
you.
will see you
Welcome.
later.
Thank you very much again.
Welcome.
So we are now in the Bental mountain, where is a really cute cafe and the best man that sells sweeties and stuff. Best view. We're drinking coffee and then we will go take my sister. Shalom. Oh, shalom. Makita.
Pita.
We were just there, you can see. One moment ago we were there, you see? We are now in Masadeh. We will buy some Arabic delights, the best, and some pita druzet. I don't know how to say it in English. Oh my god. If you're in the Golan Heights, I highly recommend coming here and eating the pita druzet and the Arabic delights. It's like the best, really the best. I will show you now how it looks. Yeah. Thank you so much. Look at this, you guys. This is so awesome. Of course, the coffee is on the house. Good morning, everyone. So this is our second day in the Golan Heights. This is a morning. Today it was a little bit rainy, but as you can see now the sky are blue again and the sun is out, so it's really nice. Yeah, so now we are going to eat some breakfast. We're going to eat jachnon. This is really famous Israeli food. Not Israeli, it's like Yemen food, but we really love it. We are not Yemen, but you know, everyone in Israel, it's like we are everything. So yeah, we'll show you our morning routine in the Golan Heights. And yeah, good morning everyone. So this is the jachnun. It's really tasty. This is what I told you. It's like a rolled dough. So tasty. In a minute I will show you how you eat it. And usually you eat it with eggs, but I don't eat the eggs. And the famous schug of my dad. Schug is like hot spicy thing that Israeli eat. I don't So this is how you eat it. This is chug with mashed tomatoes, and this is the famous jachnun. Yes, and you eat it with your hands. Bon appetit. So last time I took you to the north of the Golan Heights, and today we are going to the south of the Golan Heights to see all the flowers over there. Maybe we will go to Moshav Nov or Chispin. Maybe we will go to Mavo Chama. I don't know and I don't care. We are going on a little adventure. Me, my sister and my mom. Then of course our sweet dog Mocha is coming with us today. Oh, and see, my beauty is here. Oh, she's waiting. So we just arrived to Ait waterfall. So it's next Yonatan village. It's like Moshav, but I don't know if you know what is Moshav.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, waterfall, how you doing? So we are now in the Bajuria. How can I call it? Shlulit? Lake. Winter Shlulit. Winter lake, I don't know. It's here only in the winter. So now it's spring and it's still here. Look at that tree. I wanna climb. Tair. I am a strong woman. Home over there. Oh. It's a hobbit. It's a hobbit. These flowers are everywhere. It's so pretty. So many flowers this time of year. We are now in the middle of March. So pretty. So pretty. Oh my god. So we arrived in Ein Peak. It's near Meitzar village. That's amazing. Maka! Oh Maka, you're so happy! Yes! So my sweet friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and oh my god, thank you so much for the comments on my last video. It was really nice. So yeah, this time I'm at home in Tel Aviv and the corona is happening, so I cannot travel anywhere. So I'm really happy that I got to travel like 1 week before everybody went into quarantine. Now I can only travel to the park below my house. Yay! I miss nature so much. I cannot even begin to describe how much I'm getting crazy at home. I hope you have a great time in quarantine and you're taking it like it's a vacation or something. So everyone, bye bye, להתראות. Mwah.